welcome to our creative ideas. I am Rutvik and this is my brother Rishik. In this video, we are going to make a game you can play at home when you are bored. It's kind of similar to a pinball game, but it's not. So let's start making the game now. So the things we need for making this game are
glue, white glue, scissors, cutter, hot glue gun.
And we need a little bit of cardboard. So let's start making. First, you have to cut a big rectangle cardboard piece as shown here. After cutting the rectangle, take another cardboard piece and cut the borders for the rectangle piece. We'll use the rectangle piece as the base for the game. These are the pieces we cut for borders as per the length and breadth of the rectangle. Now let's start sticking.
Start.
Now after sticking all the cardboard pieces, wait for it to dry. Let's put this aside for it to dry. Now take another cardboard piece and pull off the first layer. Now cut a few pieces as shown here. Cut few rectangle pieces of the cardboard. Cut these in half. After cutting, bend these pieces and we'll use them to attach them here to stop the marble. Now, after cutting the rectangle piece and sticking the borders, put this aside and cut another rectangle piece.
Start.
Now, draw from the rectangle, draw 3 centimeters like this, and we'll stick this over here. and stick this over here like this. So take hot glue and stick it where I have shown. Now take a pen and draw a few circles like this. Now draw a few semicircles. Now after drawing, take these pieces which we have cut before and stick them like this over here, so that the marble will come like this and stop in one of these. Sticking them, it looks like this. Now take the cardboard piece of which we have removed the first layer and cut a small rectangle piece. Cut two small rectangle pieces. Now after cutting, we will stick them like this, so the marble goes here. Now take another rectangle piece, put hot glue and stick it to the other side. Now it's almost finished. Take a marble.
Now it's almost finished. Now let's take a look how the marble goes.
As you can see, because it's straight, the marble is not going, it's stopping. So we'll add something to make it like this. Let's take a small cardboard piece and let's put it like this, so that it will be like this. Cut small cardboard pieces and stick them with hot glue. After we put the stand, we'll wait for them to dry. Until they dry, let's take a marble and check how it goes. As you can see, it's much better now.
Start.
Now let's add a little bit of technique by using rubber bands and a little bit of cardboard, which will throw the marble instead of using our hand.
Start.
Now for making it, cut a rectangle piece again. And divide it into 3 parts by bending it. It looks like this after you bend all 3 parts. Now let's hot glue it so that it doesn't come out. This will help the marble to go with so much force. Now cut off this part. After you have cut this, we will use it to put it and shoot like this. So take a cutter and cut at a distance which you want. Now put the rubber band in this and attach it. Put a rubber band in the hole which you have cut and attach it to the part we have made. Be very careful while doing this. After sticking the rubber bands to the cardboard, cut a little small hole and put the rubber band in there. Now, after putting the rubber band, you have to pull this to shoot. Pull this back and leave it and it will shoot the marble. As you can see, it's going with better force and it's much better now. Sometimes back. So now let's write a few points in the place where the marble gets stuck. After writing the points, you can play with your friends or someone. You can play it like each has 3 turns and who gets the most points wins. These are the scores I have written: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And if the marble doesn't fall in any of these or it comes back to its original place, the score is 0. So now let's start playing. Me and my brother are going to play a game. So my brother got his score as 40. Now it's my turn. Oh, my score is 0. So my brother won round 1. It's my brother's turn again. He got 30 this time. And I got 40. So I won round 2. This way you can play with as many players as you want and as many rounds as you want. So the winner is the person who gets the highest score at the end of all the rounds. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching, friends. That's all for today.